Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Your sister, your friend, and some people's murder. Now, me sit down with you today. Farm lady, that woman where they sell cow, where they sell goat, where they sell beans, where they sell rice, where they sell gbogbo, gari, yam, everything, oil, red oil, groundnut oil. Now, me follow una sit down for here today. Una do well. As many people wey don't patronize me this week, all of una do well. May God bless you. And that food, as you say, buy am for my hand now, so you go to add blessings upon blessings on your life, in Jesus' name. So as many of una wey not see eat and where I see go deliver am to their family, may God bless you all. May God continue to enrich your purse, so that that place where you for bring money come out, where you take buy from farm lady, go give your family. As all of them take happy, when we go deliver things to this week, may God continue to bring that happiness in your life in Jesus' name. May God continue to refill your pocket, because if I say una be no even planner, but as una just see me, una just call me, okay, I go like me, I go give mama, I go like we get one person where we go give for inside upper. As we go give that person, he say you no even expect nothing. He say sister no even call and say they bring anything, they come. You will just call and say sister say me we come see am now. Wetin they will come say even come dey fear. Sister no even tell her anything. As we pack something reach the woman, now so you use her take her head. Wetin be this? You never see this kind of thing before. Now so they call all neighbors. Oh yeah, make una come home, una come see wetin my sister come, wetin my sister do for me. Oh, all of una wey patronize me this week. May God patronize every good thing in your life in Jesus' name. May God never let you lack. As una take surprise una family, una brothers and sisters, now so God go continue to surprise una, surprise all your children and everything that get to do with your family in Jesus' name. So now me again, I don't come again. So our cow still there. You know, say if cow not they finish, goats not they finish. So that they born, that they reproduce. So others. Many of now where don't they keep money, where don't they pay small money for accounts. Okay, so that it's time reach. May God continue to give you strength. May you take pay your money finish, so that may you carry what you they pay for. So as many people where don't they call, una wey want join killing of cow. No, na the more na come add list now. List don't they full. Oh, I not even expect people go call like that. So if you know say you will join earlier, the better. Come add your name now, so that may we get your name for grant, so that may we know how many people where I will take arrange. If now 4 people, so that may we know how many 4 group don't they grant. So anyway, una do well. Thank you very much. Now me again, una sister. So now no say not be only selling, not be we they do for you. We see they do small advice. They join them. So we see they look what they happen for outside. Consider they see, consider they talk, what they go on, what people they do, what not work right, what not good for some people, where they do. So we'll still call the use until they give advice for here. So all those us join, not be only selling, not be with day here. For there are other things where we see they see what people they do. Where not today right, where we'll see come here, we'll see come talk as it be. We'll see, we'll see come put mouth small, we'll talk as it be. So many people, I believe so now, don't see this something where don't they trend now. This woman where call the bath picking. So some people talk and say na tradition. So that one I just mostly want mostly emphasize on. So some people say na tradition. Some people say na so that they do na so they take bath for us. Na so different people talk their mind. Yes, na true. Na tradition. Na how they take care of us for house that time. Yes, I know deny am say no be tradition. I no deny am say no be so they take care of us. But if we don't they grow, if we don't they live, they say I need but December marriage. Okay, no problem, my sister. May God continue to may God bless you, so that may that marriage make it ripe. May it ripe well, so that may we can celebrate. All of us go eat the cow, eat the rice. And after we don't eat am with happiness, happiness go continue to they follow the marriage as they go in Jesus' name. So my people, so when we talk about this tradition where they talk, so this tradition, many of us don't they abroad. Yes, they say if you are in Rome, you behave like a Roman. So sometimes there are some things where they happen for Africa. Not be everything where it happen for Africa, not be we carry come here. there are some things where we live for Africa because we see and say no, I beg all those ones now waiting don't fair pass. So now one video where I see now since last week, I know say now mostly Sundays now they get chance they come out. I know they try to squeeze time in the week, but you know just is like that. But if time still day, I'll see. But anytime we take see, and every time we take to put now our opinion, I will talk. So I see one video where one woman called this, bath pikin. So where one lady called the shout say she not doing well, she know what she do, make they call police, make they do this, make they do that. So when I look the thing, yes, I look at like saying a tradition. So I bet more still talk on our own. If na really, if the tradition, if na good tradition, or if na waiting we suppose abolish, or if na waiting they happen for Africa, may we carry and still come Europe, come they do am, may we still talk am. Una understand? Because sometimes I look and say, yes, as the woman they vex, they shout. Not be saying that because say she see that woman, they do that thing. That woman they bath that pikin. Not be make her come they shout. Not because say she see that woman they bath pikin. Not be make her come they shout. What really make that woman come they shout now? Because say maybe they don't get envy, they don't get one thing where they fair do to each other, or maybe they don't fair they follow themselves, they quarrel. Maybe na it cause and where she come they shout like that. Say we see the kind way where they say they bath the pikin. I don't know whether I don't fair see them. So see the kind way where they say they bath the pikin. So me when me look the video, I really look am raw. You understand? Because if na house now we dey, yes, if na Africa now we dey, we know they look all those kind of things because we feel say yes, now how they take bath for house. But one thing where some people they doing now because they make pikin not get body odor. Now it make the bath pikin like that. For me, I say cut that crap. You understand? Because if na so say now how they not make pikin not take get body odor. Now it make the bath pikin like that. Okay, what of even we be blacks where they bath like that, where still get body odor? What it can cause that one? What you can cause that body odor where we will be black? So people say you both they smell. Now as we that kid they smell, if you not bath where now so you both they smell. I not see where say maybe because you both they smell say that they're not the bath. If you not bath where, if you not bath for 3 days, you go smell. Even if you bath every day and you know you sponge they bath, you be person where they react to sweat. You go smell. It gets some people they know they quit they sweat. Like person like me, I know they quit they sweat. But it gets some people with before they will do small things, sweat go just they pour come out for their body. Those are nature, now normal thing. So if you be person where sweat they quit they worry, and you know they bath always, definitely you go get body odor. Some people even they not be saying that sweat they worry them. It's just natural. Now everybody just be like as any other, you'll see different things now, different ways of life. Now so this body be all body not be the same. You'll see now so you'll see and a person will get body we get fat for body. Now so you'll see mala. Now so you'll see person way just extra large. Now so you'll see the one way quarter large. Now so you'll see the one way middle large. So now so this body be. So now everything we see they work out for inside body now differently now it be. Everybody not be the same. So you know if you tell me say because okay say I see the woman she carry oil, if na oil be if they use and they rub the pikin whether na private part of the pikin, yeah, na private part of the pikin, whether that pikin na boy or girl I don't know. But if na girl, at the end of the day you they carry something take the rubber to rubber na that one I go make am say make it not smell tomorrow. Not be him. If you not clean pikin well, even if they clean you well and you grow tomorrow, you not call the bath where it not get as they go clean you rich as you small. Not baths okay because they boil you, they clean you well as you small. They use oil, they use kerosene, they use engine oil, take clean you well. Say at the end of the day you will come grow, may you not bath, may you not smell. It's not possible. You go must smell. You go must smell. So now cause all those things where they call they do, they will say at the end of na tradition. You the bad pikin. And another thing where that woman can do, she carry the pikin leg like this. He carry his hand, he carry his head go up. You not be specialist, you not be doctor. So that woman where can they call for police? If police really see that thing, trust me, because they will tell you say you don't traumatize that pikin because the cry where can they cry. But if doctor do one because doctor na specialist, they not go talk anything because doctor they carry pikin go. But you be doctor, you be specialist. Where you for learner? Where is your certificate where you tell learner? I see one I hear one story where we say only Aboliki where we take they rob our children for house that time. The enemy are not trying more. Even me self, me not the feel even the robber for my body. So they use that they rob children. 9 person take rob the pikin. What you both see they carry pikin for that woman hand. Just Aboliki. They still get the cream for here also, but na tube now then so they hot like Aboliki. They say because they say he want kill that pikin. Not to talk of you where they can't see. You can't carry pikin leg like this. You can't carry head go down. Okay, what of us you carry head go down? Water can go come out for your nose. You can't water can form out for your nose. What you go do? You not be doctor. If you be doctor, before doctor go do that, that say na hospital 9 days. In case of anything happen, they get any which way where they will quickly rescue that pikin. You they do it for inside house. One, you not be professional. 2, you not be doctor. You not be anything. You just they carry something. They drop the pikin. They push the body. That time where with their house where they go bath pikin finish. They will say in the bath for your power. See, you don't see as this. Now lie, not be sleeping. Now body na tire am. Oh, we let lie. Now body don't come press it body. Wetin una call dey press for inside pikin body? Some people go born, they will go carry something from Africa. Then so they take do us that time. Now so they take do that. Okay, everything what they do for Africa that time. Now you carry come here. So women wey marry, when they say okay, our papa that time, if you want go give the food, you go kneel down. How many of una they kneel down for na husband of na want go give the food? Since na tradition. How many of una that time they say tradition for Igbo land? If you born twins, they go kill that twins. They know the agreement you born twins. Okay, now if na tradition, why una not content? They say since na tradition, anyone we born twins for here, made the killer. Those there are some traditions for me. It's just bullshit. If you know they count again. Those time that we person never guesses. Or if we no use oil to rub pikin, so go carry kind. They'll say that they put out for pikin mouth. Now that one I will make the pikin. If you not wash your teeth, even if you go just turn to alcoholic, you go just turn to drunker. It go just turn to drunker. Not be by putting alcohol for pikin mouth. Not be it they get body odor. Me, I get 3 children. I don't do one day. None of them get mouth odor. If you not let your pikin wash him mouth well, or you as a mother, the time when you reach where you go supposed to they wash him mouth, you not let her they wash her. Okay, that one of course make teeth no rotty. If you can't put alcohol, why if they see children for Africa where their teeth they rotty? Eh? But all those things they do it for Africa that time. Some people do and say they'll come put alcohol for their mouth. Make so that make them not get mouth odor. After they will still do all those things finish. Now so now even that Africa now you they see it, wait till they go with it for ground, they go be like Dracula, so we'll call red, not be even brown again. Because you know they wash away. But for abroad for you, you know they see all those skirting because everything they when they take the manage them, clean they even if we keep mouth come bad, this like that. Now hospital now you go get what they will take wash and go white by force. All those things not they Africa like that or you know they like that, but they follow up. So for you to born, people who don't fair do them, those ones now lock. But for me, as far as I'm concerned, it's not advisable. Not be everything where you see for Africa, not be you or carry come here. If you are in Rome, you behave like a Roman. Nobody come, nobody. Okay, if you say, okay, if you say you want to carry your tradition, come here. You want to do everything tradition, then everything where you supposed to do for Africa, you for carry the come now. Why not they hide some? Because okay, no one made the country. That woman that day, as they carry that pikin, as she bath that pikin, they carry here. Cause you sure say if police they fear go let her try. Me let's call a spade a spade. Then you come go tell police. One of my girlfriend, she say, police no say our tradition, fuck tradition. When they go here, why happy where you work pay? They will go lock you for one. Which tradition? They back picking the Tony head go down when you are not a professional. They put something for inside a private part. Oh yeah, they say that they use oil, they rub their body. Can't do this one, can't do that. I remember that year, that time when woman go born, they put engine oil for their navel. Say because they make the navel they quit the cut. And in Africa when they do all those things, now you they see people navel go big like what kind big belly go big. Since when me did this abroad, I never see person with navel big like that. Because Oyibo they manage all those things. They take it. And Oyibo they put anything as for people where don't born for here. How many of una don't put engine oil? Why not tell Oyibo say no? As soon as they do, so not so with the do for Africa, I go must put engine oil for my pikin never. They will put engine oil. I don't know which other rubbish where they add they put. They will come to they put on. Sometimes the thing will come like say they rotty. They will call they press and they put water. They press and make it for good. At the end of the day, now then they'll come call us where you will come see some people never go come big, some go just big, go just. But if you dey abroad for you, they go operate at your way, and nobody know what they cause all those things for Africa. But with the face now, waiting we just sabi for Africa now be the best. No, it's not the best. Some are rubbish. Rubbish. Why woman, you are not a professional. You can't turn that pikin in head. I don't hear some. They'll say they'll come on for us for a year. For Europe, we see they wear everything there for free. Many things there for free for you. You will still carry pikin. Come let person come the circumcise your pikin for inside your house. Eh? Make una wake up now some darky women. Or some darky men and women. Hospital, the way they don't say me you pay. Even if they say me you pay, you have your full confidence. You have your free mind. Say nothing go happen to your pikin. You will just carry person at this time and age. Make go they circumcise your pikin for inside your house. Is that not a risk? Not be that way they say happen 1 year like that for Italy when the pikin die. Eh? I don't hear for Jamie for here. They say that they do one. Eh? You will carry pikin go the circumcise her for inside house because na tradition I will call her. I not be house that they do it for Africa that time. If na house that they do it for Africa that time, that one mean say if you get opportunity when you want to do it for free for hospital, you all go. Eh? Or even if you need to pay money, but you are paying money and you know what you are paying for. Anything where it happen, you will quick carry that pikin go hospital. Eh, you just carry knife, you go open eye, maybe they tear your pikin, something for inside house. If anything can happen, waiting you want tell government say that it happen. May I tell you, they don't get as you they work rich for abroad. Oh, you don't get waiting you they receive for abroad. All the children where everybody born for you, now government's own. You don't get mouth to say anything, even if you they collect 1 million. If anything happen now, then go come knock for your door, go carry your pikin. So as far as I'm concerned, any children where you born for abroad for you, now government now get them. You are just their mother, you are just their guardian, but don't let anything happen to that children. Now you will know, say sometimes they even value that children pass you a born them. So why would they carry those rubbish at the end of from all the way from Africa? Come the one woman just sit down. I remember that year when I born my second child. One of my sisters, she come, she said she want to greet me. He said she will feel bad for me. I'm only God knows I will say bath my children. I don't know. Anyhow, now I say just say bath them, but they are fine. This sister said, "Go now." You sure say you go feel bad this? He said, "You go feel bad for Naija, not be enough." Okay. Now say, sister, wait. Oh, may not talk. I not tell you. See, I see this stick. I just put on near your waist. If this pikin fall for your hand, I go just slit her for your waist. She laugh. She laughs, body tire am. What am I trying to say? If you know you cannot do it, you are better say, and you don't even need to do such things because it's not necessary. You go carry out your take the raw pikin body pikin when you newborn. Those are rubbish. That kind of video I which maybe if police see am and police really see am, they see as the pikin they shout, they go tell you say you traumatize that pikin. You they give the pikin stress. They'll tell you say you give her stress. And they use something the raw pikin body. I don't see person they carry something they come from Europe. They common water. I don't know what it they for inside this. It tells them for baby. He said they're not going to use this one for baby. Now I put that for throw away that thing. Now we born I do one. They throw away and they say no, this one not be waiting that they use for baby. They just carry a common for your bag. They throw away. So that kind of person you will come tell me say if that kind of boy if he can't see you with the bag that kind of pikin like that, then you will come tell me say now because of saying a tradition. Which kind of stupid tradition? Tradition by foot. You're the tradition, they carry pick. I beg, let me share this video, I beg. Let me share out that one where they say cow.com every Sunday night they sit down for you. So you can't tell me say that tradition, carry picking head, you carry and go down. If water, which say water can pass in nose, come out, it can't rush to away. Then picking who you call? Not be the same government, ambulance you call. Not be the same ambulance now you call. Government go picking abroad here, you go born picking. They go tell you say use cloth to rub your body. Why you not they tell me say no, maybe they fight the hospital say no, I know we use cloth. Oh, sometimes after 2 days or after a day depends on the nurse where they just understand. If you say okay, come bath am. They go bath and you will see as they take the bath. Why you know they talk say no? I don't go bath and so I take the bath and so I beg no na give me rubber. Make I put my leg as they do for Africa. May I begin they use punch. Why you know they talk? Why you they look they do? Why you know they fight with them? When you talk say na your tradition for Africa where you carry come. So now here now you for exhibition. They will just go lock you for one small garage. You will there until your head come down. Now the one way they want do, now the one way go favor them, now they go do. They go for years, all this Oyibo. Why it be say now we African now waiting we just like now we they talk say now our own. If you not say you like her too much, why it be say you can't imitate Oyibo for here? You go see Oyibo, you arrange your house. You that you will still use head to carry water come. You will say you want to arrange your house. You will see Oyibo buy a big car. You will say you want to buy big car. You see everywhere fine. Oyibo, many of us wait day here now. Oyibo now teach us many things. What would they do for you? We not sabi do anything, so many things wey na abroad, no na quote me wrong. Na abroad, na go teach us many things wey we dey do for abroad for here. Many things. Na abroad, na many things wey food some food wey we not sabi it before. So some people dey here wey be say the time when they come, they know they eat all this bread, get all this kind of different country where you dey their bread. They know they eat them. But after some times, they come to the learner. When you come and say, you wait, come on for Africa. If you come reach Africa, you're going to do like this, gang. Why you know they say, okay, because I be African before. May I just follow now? May I they use leg, they waka, they go for streets. Why you come and say, if I can't reach Africa, I can't carry, no, use leg, they waka again. Why another time is okay, since na tradition, all of now we get children for you. I'm gonna bring my children come out. So I'm gonna go to play for outside. Don't wear shoe. So say just wear only pants. Na tradition for Africa. More go they run, they go for streets. Why another they do one? So not be everything where they Africa. More than know they carry all those bullshit they come here. You know they walk, you go only land on for trouble. See the one they say when they go they circumcise Peking. At the end of the day, Peking die, he bleed. He die for their hand. Where they come, they not be one room, not be they go lock they put. So what are we not saying? Must you do everything? Say na tradition. Say Oyibo go understand. Oyibo go understand when you want kill their Peking for their hand. Oyibo go understand. Now you born and they be their guardian. No, you just born them as a mother. You just born them. They know you as a mother. But Oyibo, when you say they don't follow you their house. Don't let anything happen. Now then you will know say now they even quick love the Peking pass you way born that Peking. You don't get you know if they say because I'm working, I have a right with my children. Where they? You don't get shishi, no right. Now Oyibo now in their right big pass you where you get the children way born them. So may we they be careful with all this year tradition. All this this one a tradition. Una wey get husband, una no dey carry, una go carry water as they do at that time. Me know that time if you want go give papa water, you will kneel down. In the morning like this, you will kneel down. Papa, mama go kneel down for your husband. Me, I know they see they know they too much like for here again. You say beg one of that beg na abroad now with day. If you come no say na abroad now with day, now everything you come there abroad now you now everything with the Africa now you they carry they come. Why you know they do the one where they had for inside? Now the one we come for your mind. By Buffy Pikin, come they use all your they rub your body, come they turn your head go down. Now you go make an smell. Now you go make an not get body odor. They put a kind for your mouth. If that Pikin come talk to alcoholic tomorrow, now come they look for pastor. They go pray for and say, hey, no know what they worry on our children. Sometimes I don't use my hand take us what they do. What they do now. But now be careful. May we try. May we see they put. May all these things, all this rubbish. May we they put them aside. There are some things it is not called for. You don't need it. If you look at some things where they do, where you ask yourself, people where they around me they do and know. So why will I do it? Why? You don't need to do it. You don't need them. All children where they don't born for you, no one where you just say they will pass. If you not bath where you go smell. As a mother, even some mother self, if you not bath where you will smell. No enter bedroom, you walk your kwekus, may you wash your kwekus, so you will smell. So you don't fit tell me say because they use all your take bath, they use can't take bath, they use engine oil or want to take bath you that year. Say now that one I will come make you a hair. Okay, even if I not come back for 366 days, say you not go smell. Oh, where you go smell. So you gotta wash yourself well, wash your kids well. If you born Pikin, wash them the way you can do it. All those kind and so sister, I beg mama, then you come help me wash them. Nobody they wash Pikin pass anybody. The belly where you carry on for good 9 months. If you feel born and come down, you go still wash your Pikin. And if you continue to they wash them like that every day, they go school, you wash them. You know, see some people will be saying when their children they go school, they get one kind mune odor. Or some women where they take care of their children, where their children will come out, their clothes go manon, they know, you know, their children go there unkept. So your contact me say, okay, because it's there unkept. And I say, no, I don't already wash and time with this small Pikin. I don't use oil and kerosene to wash them. So now it make me just leave and I know they smell again. It is small Pikin, it go smell. Small Pikin as early as 5 years old Pikin. So don't they smell, they don't they get body odor. It's just thing of na inside the night day. Some people they get and quick past each other. Who can they call me for here now again? Oh sister, this sister they call me. Some people they get and too quick past each other. So you know if you tell me say now because one I will take cotton now. Yeah, just leave her. So you know, if you tell me say because a person they get person because you don't wash them as you want maybe wash them, say now it cause when you leave your pikin or kept. Nobody will want near them. So women now they say that they'll say they tell their pikin say their pikin get body odor because you don't wash away. You don't wash away. If you wash away, you not go get body odor. If you not clean away, if you not give her good clothes, if you not give her clean clothes, you know we go smell. Even if you know the smell, if you wear dirty clothes go smell. It go smell, follow am. Or maybe your house, maybe you dey cook or you leave clothes for kitchen or any which way. You just carry am wear you for fried fish or something. You just leave am for there. I remember 1 year like that. Where my kitchen I dey put this thing. What they call am? Wetin they take the sun clothes for winter. So if me dey cook food, go just the whole smell go dey enter the food. Now person come tell me say as food dey smell, they follow all your clothes. Oh, now so now there now first now stop am. So some that kind of thing, if food they follow, so if you still wear clothes wey dirty, you go smell. So person they look you like dirty person. People they look you like person wey dirty. So not be all tradition, not be good. Make person they carry they go. You do so all this year tradition. Call the back pikin, call use the hand, take rubber, use this thing. If you don't fair do am, so fine. But for me, as far as I'm concerned, I'm not the part of it. Because by carrying your pikin, they use hand, they rub hand, they use can't carry hair go down. Now that one I wanted turn to sportler. They will for years every children for Africa say maybe not even make some children head knock for Africa. The one after they bath them, you don't know where, you don't know how you want to turn and you don't know what to do. Just carry pikin head, you turn and go on that ground. As you they turn and say you they raise them up, something can't happen to that pikin, shock. Who you call? You say na devil, na cause. Hey, they are after you. Nobody they after you. It's just the work of your hand, my dear. So I beg, if una they do and if you know say you specialize food, good and fine for you. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm not a part of it, and it can cause anything. Because as that video they go viral, so if police mistakenly get in touch with that video, that woman they will call her for question you. Except say God just save and say it don't pass, may they just leave him. They will, if they not even call her, they will warn her make you no ever try him again. Make it ever. How person you dey Europe, you go to circumcise pikin for inside house. Which kind of rubbish be that one? Hospital day, equipment day. Why did they do all those things for Nigeria, Africa? Because they don't see if they carry go, they go pay money. The money is not there to pay. Now it comes away that they do all those things for Africa. Or even hospital not even there, better hospital not there. When I see person they put sugar for a mouth, we not go leak. Go leak now. It not get as that village go deep reach. If they see better hospital, it dead there. Before leg go pay there as we did, so they go run, go there, we go check their leg. They just want to go see how the hospital fine reach. Even if they not go sick, oh well, even if I not the sick, me I just enter there, make that AC, may enter my body. I trust my African people, they go do them. Now because the money not there, kukuma even the money they say hospital not there. So what they go do? They are better they do their things for house. So you will call the privilege. God can't put that crown for your head. You can't there abroad. You say no. What did they happen for abroad? Now inside your house, now you the do. At the end of the day, some people they call and say the woman where they shout. Yes, the woman where they shout. That one she they shout out of maybe the two of them don't defend the quarrel before. But the reason says, what did that woman do? She can go in for it. Yes, 100% she can go in for it. Maybe that pikin as she be just doing. Maybe after 2 days, pikin call they sick. They will tell you say now those things na cause am. So make una beg my people. Make una not the top pikin head the upside down again. Oh, make una not they use oil take they wash pikin. I don't know where they use oil they wash body. Oil na slippery thing. You know the quick come off for body. It be like this thing. So how do you go to wash all those ones? I don't feel they understand it. The thing don't let me understand. So all those things I don't understand. Many traditions there Africa where people say fear not go even let to even mention for mouth for yourself. So this one I want that they do for yourself. So why not carry and go outside? Maybe you go put and say okay because in our tradition go do it for outside. May one you both see you. Come on, this thing for here now only come on ants. Now my children kill one day for where they play. Now you both they shout for say make they know they kill ants again. Come on ants where they work out children they kill them. They shout. You say me they know they kill them. All my own so okay the way where the Oyibo react is not they fine. But I really called my good friend Oyibo. I can't ask her say is it right? He said normally it's not right. You don't need because they deserve to live. So if Oyibo tell you say ants deserve to live, you come tell me say human being, they'll come see say they turn human being head upside down. Oyibo will tell you say that pikin deserve to live. Hey, My African people, I bet may we be careful, oh. May we not go to use our hand, they cause one thing where go cause trouble tomorrow. May we not call it, may person not call it us and a devil, now they pursue that they go. Because we Africans, so they submit us say they're after me, nobody they after person, as far as I'm concerned. Many day where they use their hand, they cause. Whether they use their hand, take cause and finish, they'll say na person, na cause, not be person cause. Now the one where we use our hand to do, na many pass. So all this is not tradition, more na try, more na shocking song. Mona go shocking her for that bed. Why the Mona not let her even see the day of Mona not let her see the light of the day at all. It's not welcome. Especially in Europe, it's not welcome. Tradition this year is some dirty tradition. It's not welcome. Now abroad, some people say Euro not get you not get forbidden for the people where don't fit marry, maybe wanting. So if you can tell me say Europe Euro not get forbidden what it call. So what it call make you tell me say na tradition, yeah tradition when even they deadly. This one I call it deadly because that picky, if not be picky, maybe that picky not first sound before. Maybe not just you don't even know what is going on in that child's health. You just carry a leg, you turn her upside down. Tomorrow you can't tell me say which kind of year tradition be that one? For me, those are bullshit tradition and it's supposed to be abolished. So my people, that's why my sister, Africa with their tradition, I'm tired though. Tradition. I get to spoil many things. Today tradition, tomorrow tradition. Now our tradition. Which kind of year tradition? If you really want to follow your tradition, then go home. Go to Africa and practice your tradition. Then if you tell me say I'm a traditional man, then I go hear out for you for Africa. If you there abroad, you tell me say you are a traditional man or a traditional woman, I will kick your axe. Nothing they work as tradition for here. Nothing like tradition as far as I'm concerned. Nothing like tradition for abroad. If you really want to practice your tradition, go and sit down in your traditional land and go and be practicing it there. No, you carry your dirty tradition, come here, come they tell me say you are a traditional man. Which kind of year traditional man? Traditional man, may you not buy tickets. May you go right there say really that those their traditional things. May you enter bus, not buy tickets. Say because say you be traditional man, say you know buy tickets. Or because say you be wanting. Even if you go, you don't get as they high reach for Africa. If you reach here, you must succumb. Because it's their land, now their country, now the day. If you are a Rome, you behave like a Roman. No carry your dirty tradition, come here. Because many traditions, now spoil Nigeria. Many traditions spoil Africa. So na traditional man, no, they no fit talk to them. Traditional man go they do rubbish, fear no let they talk to them because they na tradition. Which kind of year tradition? They treat pikin anyhow. Say that tradition. You get many pikin we can't deform for Nigeria because so they come they put something for their mouth. If you woman go get belle, they do drink this one. Abroad for you, you will get belle. They don't give you nothing. They will tell you, say, go and be drinking more water. The worst what they will give you now, icing. What do they call them for English? What do they call icing? I think calcium, I zinc, I don't know. So we go give you bones, we go make your bones strong, and vitamin C. That's all. They know they could give when you are, Yes, now, if you are in Rome, behave like a Roman. You must not do kind traditional. The thing is, if I just hear like they do me for ear. Now everything where they Africa, now you carry con here. Not be everything where they Africa, not be you carry con. If you want really practice Africa, say you be real African man, you be real African woman. They carry, and there are some traditions that are really nice. Yes. When Oyibo go, they go even follow you a brazen. I don't see many like that. Maybe our attires, the way we take the dance, our traditional way, those are fine. But there are some, they are deadly. Africa now, they will tell you, say, if you want to come out, make you not carry your pikin follow body, you will leave children for your man. Maybe if you and your man want separate. But abroad for you, mother is first. Because the women, in Africa, we don't value women. Now part of tradition. Man go do rubbish, he go beat man, he go beat woman. That one is still topic of another day. They go say na tradition. And na the husband now. Which kind of year tradition? Is the woman not get life? Women have life also. So we don't have to capitalize on tradition. Which kind of year tradition? You must not follow all traditions. Not be all tradition, not be person need to they follow. If you know say you dey follow tradition, you will go back to your country, go back to your bush, go back to your darkness for there. May you go dey practice your tradition. Tradition still dey Africa where they know they wear clothes. Sister Jenny, you are welcome. Huh? Tradition dey where they know they wear clothes. Emmanuel, you are welcome. Tradition dey where they know they wear clothes. All those they will come tie only wrapper for here like this. Yeah, now their tradition. Since they know they harm anybody, it's okay. But there are some tradition where be said that it's just they kill. It maybe not just carry knife, just kill. If you get some tradition that time for my tribe, they will say if king die, you need to bury some head, follow him. Those are hello? Must human being go with king? No. But they don't abolish all those things. It don't fit happen again. Government is involved. If they hear that kind of thing, it's not going to be funny. It's not going to. But before they do and say that tradition, they come here now. May you tell me say because a person die, say na king say you want carry know how many head follow. Now person deserve to die follow king. Those are wickedness. But they don't abolish it now. So there are some tradition you just gotta abolish it. Now so you just get to do with these children of 18 if you get pikin. Not be everything where they see. For Africa, we they beat our children, don't we? We go beat them blue black. Try and for here now say na tradition. Say na so they take care of pikin for Africa. Your pikin, if you they beat your pikin, not be say you they look left and right. May you no here say your pikin they cry. Why una not talk say oh na tradition? No. May you beat them. You need to beat them. May be say Mark go come day, but as they do us for house that time. Me I grow to when they ground pepper like this, they ground and they pour out from my head to my toe because of my stubbornness. Yes, but those things you dare not try it to your child anymore. You dare not. You dare not. Even in Africa, the civilization don't they go now. People, human rights don't they involve. Now if they see those things, you can be arrested. Or the man is all those they are arresting and jege. But at least they are still making the awareness for people to see say those things is not right again. But before nothing like that. But now people are stepping in. Now it's not true. Igbo now they see all those kinds of things. Not be saying that they just carry they invent them. No, they don't come. They don't see and say so Igbo they do this thing and true. Or Igbo they do them and they work for them. So why we know we Africa? Why we not go invent them? Now it make people not be saying they just wake up for there. Now people we don't go school, we don't know say see what do we see all these things where they happened before? Where would they, so this now darkness now we just there. So we are not trying to bring it back to Africa. Now you are as big as you are as a mother. Your lay person they use oil till they rub your pikin body. They put her inside private parts. They rub her, carry head go down. As if they carry head go down, which you come for your hand, you fall down. If you come fall down like that, what you will call her? Even they get some say me I know they want to they see where they bath children. If I see Africa, if you put them for leg, you bath and fine. They put water for your body. They suffer, they wash them. Those are acceptable. Don't say you call they carry bring all here. What all here they do for person body? What all here they do? We African. What all here they do for person body? What you can they do for small pikin mouth? If you not wash your pikin mouth, it go smell. It go smell pass smell. It go smell. So make we abeg all those dirty tradition. Abeg, may una throw away. I mean, not they work. You know they work. Or you go born pikin 3 days. They not go bath. Then they go use cloth to clean their body. But now we will still see Oyibo for you. We this Oyibo fine. Now so they take care of all of them. Not get the one where they use all your take clean for inside. You not get the one where they use engine or your take clean. How many of us? As many of us where they abroad. How many of us don't see pikin where you go just get never go your big blah. As we they see for Africa where they call the cost emosuko. How many for here? If it even happened, so forth that they cut out away. They go operate and they go remove her. Many people don't carry something body where deform come abroad. Or you both can arrange for them. Thanks to them. We are not saying that tradition say no. Now so they take bomb me leave her for them. No want no na arrange. So maybe their hand not dey fine. So maybe their teeth big go one side. Different way we still get deforming body. But as soon as we reach here, well, they try me we arrange them. Yes. But we're not causing that because in our tradition, so they take bomb, no, leave them. But you see, you go why people do them, you do them. But many people did the way not even get the opportunity to do them. They will say, na tradition. Now so they take bomb, also on na waiting that they bomb. They not they bomb picking now mismanagement, now it cause all those rubbish. mismanagement as far as I'm concerned, because me never see Oyibo pikin wey get that kind of thing. Even Oyibo go see and say they ask you what is that. Even all this tribal mark wey be tradition. How many of una don give una pikin tribal mark for abroad? That one na still tradition. How many of una don give una pikin tribal mark? Say na tradition. How many of una? How many of una don say no, this one no, it go make my pikin fine. I go no go tear am. Benin get am, Ishan get am, Igbo get am, Yoruba get am. How many of una don give una children tribal mark? The ones who even don't get am, they look for where they want to clean. I don't turn to this thing for their body. Must you carry some dirty things with you? You get where you reach, when you see as the setting of that place, but you will see arrange yourself, you will see try make you date touch. No, some people, oh, that their character, they go must carry and come out. Those are rubbish now. Carry pikin, they turn here, go down, they use all here, they rub am. So go bestow something, they go order something all the way from Africa where they want to rub their pikin. You will don't fair do am. I'm not condemning you. Please don't do it again. Not be that one. If you not wash your pikin well, it go smell. And I'm still saying it. Even if wash your pikin like that, when you tell me say if you don't grow, as from 5 years, they leave am maybe 3 weeks, not douche am, not bath am. May you see and say it no go smell. It go smell. So not be by carrying of pikin, by using every gbogbo way they say Africa to the rub pikin, not be pikin, not to the smell. Black people get body odor. I have seen many. I had a friend one time. If he sleep for my bed, I know they feel breathe. If one of my boy even come greet me that time, go say, "Why not tell me? I don't know as I go tell her. I don't know. If she wear my jacket, oh my God, I will go put her for outside. I know will feel wear her. I go tell her. You say you want, and I no tell her my beg. I don't want. Now one day I call her. Well, you no get sponge when you take the bath. You no get sponge. He said no, you don't need that. And I said no, my sister, you need them. Roll on call, you no get. He said no, they use her. No, and then say she come out for house. Now so she they call me. They say people just they work out, they leave me. I don't know as I go tell them. Because I don't just know as I will take put them into her, may not hurt her. I would start to the bearer. But when I feel can't talk to her, I can say no, it's good though. Try her. I can't use idea the time when the break on the break constitute her wife constitute her. Behold, as that girl just started to use sponge to the bath, they use roll up. Body odor young fear. Body odor just vanish. She not gonna smell again. She not gonna smell. Okay, you want to tell me say that kind of person? No, they don't use all the necessary thing for Africa. Take bath, Yeah. Many darky mothers, men, I don't see them. When they go pass you like this, they go smell. I don't see them. So say you not go even feel okay. You will pass darky go smell. You will come pass Oyibo go. Even if you don't smell, go smell nice. Or even if you know, just pass you. Fine, normal hair go suffer grease pass you. Why would they teach everything what would they do now? Just correct. There are some things now rubbish. We don't need them. They carry person make all the bath your pikin. They use all your say they bath your pikin. And you want to tell me say you need real soap. You need to wash before that oil will come off for your body. The process you are washing too hard, you are stressing that child. Pikin you just need water, soap, maybe small foam. As a newborn baby, just a rub the body, rubber. No, we not go. Miami boy, we not go see chance. We'll go carry iron sponge. So go even use iron sponge self. They want wash they will say they want wash the even. They want wash, what did they call it even self, whether na ghost or beer, what did they call her? They want wash and come up for a body. How many you feel? What do you want wash? Or if we know they wash, they will not sit down with them. Or if we know they wash anything, now they dread them. You know want behave like Oyibo. Some go they bleach because they want behave like Oyibo. So they still use na tradition. We not go they imitate them. So my people, now so I talk and reach for this evening. More na beg all of una wey don't do am. I not condemn una, but if una see best way they do am this time, more na still reason this my matter. Not be by using this thing all year till the douche person. Not be by using orioyo. Not be by using the orioyo na what if body they pay you use and tell Loloran. So say na what do they call this thing again? What do they call am? This thing what do they call that soap? Black soap from Yoruba soap. They'll say now they don't use Yoruba soap. You know, get soap where you they use. Though all those things now just they work. If you know bath where, if you use Yoruba soap, even if you like, go use Jama soap. Person like that on her birthday, you go buy her roll. I roll up as perfume. But I don't know that time she don't even do birthday. You know, say like me now. I know they do birthday. I don't even all those things not just not still be my way. You know, so she not even they do birthday that time. So I don't know how it was just a short time, maybe a thing of 6 months or thereabout. Say I don't quit think how now when one of my people come they worry me if she come like this, you could just she can't even they smell. Now, so it's even called they smell the but if you enter my house, now the girl smell, 9% they smell. Now the girl smell, 9% they smell. If you just enter like this, if she wear my shirt, dodo osu, yes, that one, they will go carry that one. They'll say that they wash pikin, and just buy that one. If you just use that, they wash your pikin. Not be that one. They wash nothing. They wash nothing. Even if you wash, you use dodo osun, go use native doctor osun, go use pastor osun journal. Nothing they work. If you not bath your pikin well, or you as a mother, you as an adult, you not bath well, you are smelling. You go smell. No enter bedroom. May you wash your pekus. May you wash your private parts. May you smell good. Take the perfume. May you spray for body. You will smell. You go smell. Not me say your mama wash you with dodo osun the time when you smoke or Yoruba soap. Or even oil when they do now, those they are rubbish. So my people, that's why I talk a rich. I get to that topic where I want to do. I want open my I want go my YouTube. I beg make una follow me come that side. Farm Lady CO. I put this thing, the name for there. You know, so may I go talk about women where they follow young men as their age boyfriend or that their husband. So maybe we go talk that one for them small. And then now once I don't do live for my YouTube, so I want to try and make whether it go work. I just pray may it work because only once now I don't do it. So my people now, so we see and we more gonna try. May una not they do all those things. You know, not be picking till they fine or not be picking till they get a good odor. No, if you wash your picking, as from 5 years, you get roll on for children. As Oyibo conquer. Oyibo, if I dey come life next time, brody, if I open like this now, that kid I the tears they go back. If I just say, even if Africa, God can't turn and say Africa can't be abroad, me I not go make mistakes. Say, as I say, they come from, me I not go make mistake. But I will just feel look and say, okay, now white be this one. Okay, that year the white for good. As early as 5 years old, they get children. They get roll-on of children. Children get roll-on. You don't get perfume. You don't get. They put all those ash something for adults. Children get them. They go still write them. They will still write, okay, my sister gift. I'll come there now. They will still write them for them. They will say without alcohol. You know they get alcohol. You know they hash like adults old. Children they get a cream roll on. Children roll on. As early as 5 years they get. You feel use them for your 5 years old child. If you see say get body odor, you know say if children don't bath, if children don't play finish, so they quit the sweat as I talk and since. Some people they way they quit the sweat. Then sweat they really they worry them. Person where they quit the sweat is bound to get get body odor. That thing they just the teach them. If you want go school, yeah, rubber. If you want go kindergarten, rubber. If you come back, if you see say body bias get just rubber. If you don't want bath, it's fine. Or we both do all those things reach that level. So one come tell me say na to go carry oil, go carry gongoro, go carry what they call them? This thing I go come make pikin fine or make pikin not get body odor. Now lie not be. If your pikin, if you don't get out right, you go smell. If you are a dirty person, you will smell. So women say they not even feel they wash their body. If you don't feel wash yourself, if you don't feel go bath, may you clean up yourself, you will smell. some hair go there now thanks to wig now, wey be say if you put am for head now, if you tire you remove am, at least put am for sun, you go that time wey dey fix hair wey wig never really common. Na so some people go get hair for head, you go dey smell. If you dey carry head near you, you go remain small, make you vomit. So what are we saying? So may we try. So it's me, your girl again, your sister, your friend, and the farm lady CEO and some people's murder. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So we dey sell everything sellable. We dey sell. Person even call me for farm of Gary this week. So person call me say you want buy farm Gary farm. So we get everything, I see. So we dey upgrade. We get everything, anything you want. No, roll-on without roll-on perfume for children. No, without perfume. For children without perfume, a day. For children, the one where my son they use, my son is making 16 now. Now you see they use without perfume, a day. You feel use them for your child as from 5. Your child feel use them. From 5 years, if you use them. That will not be problem at all. They feel use them without perfume, because that ash perfume na hash. So children don't need perfume. Now adults they need perfume. So they do them for children, so that you know say it's not all those perfume. You don't know what it did. Different things now they put. So children body never they strong like that. So now because of where they do them, just just for children. They go get small this thing, but the ash like that. It's very, very nice. It's really nice. So my people, so may we switch on to YouTube. So see you soon. Thank you. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Let me close up. Bye.